same पे start? Let's start. Okay. Who's here? Who's here? No. Okay. So let's start. So today we have some loving words. Like for example, today we have a topic wherein, for example, you ask to your friend, let's go to the dinner. Can you go out with me? Right? So he or she will say, okay, let's move to a dinner, let's move to a breakfast. Okay. So after, because in Spain, whenever you meet with the people, so there is a hug and kiss, right? So what conversation we can apply on this, right? Then we have a lot of pattern today. We have one grammar portion also, like what the difference between saber and conocer, because saber is also to know and conocer is also to know. So where I can apply saber verb and where we can apply conocer verb. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
So we have one thing, speak up, palabras, speak up,
Palabras
palabras, speak up, palabras de amor,
de
speak up, palabras de amor. Palabras de amor is, palabras is basically your word. We have in French we have mot, right? So palabras is basically your word of love. Palabras. Is it clear to you? Palabras, palabras de amor, it means the word of love. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Right? So, for example, you're asking to your friend, do you want to go out with me? If you're asking in Spanish, do you want to go out with me? Now, maybe you can say like, do you want to go out a drive with me? You will say that you do you want to do you want to go out with me to explore my city? Okay, we have Gedi route in Chandigarh, if you know Gedi route. Sometimes we say chalo aao Gedi lagane chalte hain. So how we can speak these types, this type in English, sorry, in Spanish. Okay, so you're asking, do you want, you want, so you tell the verb querer is a verb. So what we have is quieres, because you are asking to a person you want. Quieres. Now I'm saying, do you want to go out with me? Quieres, and go is basically my andar is a verb. Andar basically is to walk basically in Spanish. But I'm saying, if I'm saying that a phrase, do you want to go out with me? Quieres andar con is with, con is with
With
migo. That is a phrase basically, ¿quieres andar conmigo? It means you are asking, do you want to go out with me? Basically, andar is a verb to walk basically. But the moment you apply the phrase, if I'm asking to you, do you want to go, do you want to go out with me to see the cinema? Do you want to go out with me to do the shopping? Do you come with me? Do you go out with me to explore something? So if you are using these type of phrases, like do you want to go out with me? So you have a Spanish is quieres. Why quieres? Because we have a
querer
verb querer.
to want.
We have verb querer is to what? That's a full verb, is to want. Then we have two quieres. Quieres andar is to basically walk, but here we will apply andar verb. Con is with conmigo. Conmigo is basically when we apply. I'm asking, do you want to go out with me? Okay. Do you want to go out with me for a long drive? Is it clear to you? So speak up. Quieres
Querer
andar
andar
conmigo?
conmigo.
Yes, conmigo. So it means, do you want to go out with me? If you're asking, uh, do you want to be my girlfriend? Because today we are doing the topic of love. Okay, amor. Is it clear to you? If you are asking, do you want to be my girlfriend? So how we can say these type of sentence in Spanish? So do you want is what? Do you want is what? ¿Quieres?
¿Quieres?
Very good. Muy bien. ¿Quieres? Okay. To be. To be is a verb of ser. To be is a verb of ser.
Ser.
My is me. So I'm saying ¿Quieres ser mi novia? Novia is basically your, in French we have patitami, right? In French we have patitami, right? So here we have novia. So I'm saying ¿Quieres ser mi novia? Do you want to be my girlfriend? ¿Quieres ser mi novia? If you're asking, do you want to be my boyfriend?
Excuse me, sir.
Do you? Yes, Khushbu. Yes, Khushbu.
सर मुझे स्क्रीन दिखाई नहीं दे रही है आपकी.
The screen is not visible. Okay.
Yes.
Let me share one more time. आपको दिख रही है नेहा? इज इट विजिबल?
Yes sir, मेरे को तो दिख रही है.
ओके, मैं दोबारा शेयर कर रहा हूँ स्क्रीन को. आई हैव शेयर. ओके,
Okay.
इज इट फाइन नाउ?
Yes.
ओके, so Khushbu, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien.
Okay. ¿Y tú? Speak up, speak with me. ¿Y tú?
Y
También estoy bien, muy bien. Okay, चलो. So today we have a topic. आपने करा ये, मैं repeat करूँ आपको? Palabras de amor. Shall I repeat?
नहीं सर, मुझे सुनाई नहीं रहा था सर. कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, all right. So we have, do you want to be my boyfriend? So because we are doing normal things first. Do you want is what? ¿Quieres? Is it clear to you? ¿Quieres? To be is what? Ser mi novio. Novio is for boyfriend and novia is is for girlfriend. Is it clear to you? So let's repeat one more time. If you're saying, do you want to go out with me? Speak up. ¿Quieres andar conmigo? Speak up. ¿Quieres andar conmigo? Do you want to be my girlfriend? ¿Quieres ser mi novia? Do you want to be my boyfriend? ¿Quieres ser mi novio? Is it clear to you? Is that clear to you?
Yes sir.
For example, if you're saying, I invite you for dinner. I invite you for dinner. It means I invite you. My invite is what? Invito, because I invite. So invito. But I'm saying I invite you. You. Te invito. We already have wrapped up. Te invito. Te invito. We already have wrapped up that possessive adjective, right? So I invite you. Te invito. Speak up. Basically, invitar is my verb. Invitar is to invite. So te invito a cenar. Cenar is basically your dinner. Is that clear to you? If you're saying I invite you for lunch. So you will say te invito a comer. Comer is to eat, and comer is also my lunch also. I invite you for eat something, okay? I invite you for lunch. If you ask you, I invite you for dinner. I invite you for dinner. So yes, sorry, for breakfast. Dinner we already wrapped up. For breakfast. So you tell me, Kushbu, what would be? I invite you for breakfast.
Te
Te invito. Very good. Te invito a desayunar. Desayunar is my breakfast. Desayunar. Speak up. Desayunar is my breakfast. Is it clear to you? Desayunar is my breakfast. Or you can say like this, ¿Quieres You tell me what is the English of this? ¿Quieres ir a cenar?
Do you want to go?
Want to go dinner. Go dinner.
You want to go to
Go
dinner.
to
Is
dinner.
it clear to you? Is it
Yes,
clear to
yes.
you? For
Yes,
example,
yes.
you are meeting with your friend. Okay, because in Spanish, in Spain, we have a when we meet, we have a kiss things. We have ombras in Spain. In French, we have ombras, is to hug, right? So, for example, you're saying, "Can I kiss you? Can I kiss you?" Or you can say, "Can I hug you? Can I hug you?" So basically, kiss is my verb because I'm doing these things. Is that clear to you? So,
Okay.
may I? You are asking, may I? So that's a poder verb.
Um,
So what you will say? Puedo? Because you are
yes.
asking, can I? May I? You, te puedo. Is that clear to you? Te puedo besar. Besar is to kiss. Is that clear to you? Te puedo besar. Is that clear to you, Khushbu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I asking, uh, can I hug you? What will say? Te puedo, because why puedo? You tell me, Khushbu, why puedo here we have? Because poder is a verb. Yes, so we have the yo conjugation. So te puedo abrazar. Abrazar is to hug. Is that clear to you?
Mm,
Okay.
Abraçar.
Speak up. Te amo. Speak up.
Te
Te amo. Te amo is I love you. Speak up. Te quiero. Te quiero is again the same thing. Quiero is to want. It means you want some. You want
I
the
want
your
you.
friend. Is that clear to you? If you're saying te extraño.
the
Extraño. Here we have no. Let me take the no. Here we have extraño. Speak up.
Extra.
from
Extraño. Is that clear to you? So extraño is if you're saying I miss you. I miss you. If you're saying I miss you, so you will say te extraño. Is that clear to you?
So
Te
miss.
adoro.
Okay.
Miss. Extraño. Extrañar is basically a verb. Extrañar. Basically, the verb extrañar, ar ending verb. Okay, so we have extraño because I miss. So I miss is converted into O form. So extraño, you is te extraño. Is that clear to you?
Te extraño.
Te adoro is again I
Adore
adore
you.
you. Is that clear
door.
to you? Okay, is that clear to you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so repeat please. इसको आप repeat करो please. Repeat करो. Repeat please. Read.
Palabras de
Palabras
amor.
te amo.
Mm-hmm.
¿Quieres andar conmigo?
¿Quieres
Mm-hmm.
andar con- ¿Quieres
¿Quieres ser mi novia?
Very good.
ser
¿Quieres
mi
ser mi novio?
Mm-hmm.
Te
Te
invito
invito a
Te
a
cenar?
invito a
cenar.
cenar. Mm-hmm.
Te
Te
invito a
invito a
comer.
comer.
Mm-hmm.
Te invito a desayunar.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Abrazar.
Very good. Desayunar. Okay.
¿Quieres
¿Quieres
ir a cenar?
ir a cenar? Te puedo
Ah,
besar. Te
te
puedo
puedo
abrazar.
besar, te
Te
puedo
puedo
Amo.
abrazar,
Te
abrazar.
quiero. Te
amo, te
extraño. Te
quieres,
adoro.
te
Te
extraño,
extraño.
Is that
Te
clear
to-
to you?
te
adoro.
adoro.
Adoro. Is that clear to you? If
Yes,
you're
sir.
saying, I want to be with you. If you're saying, I want to be with you. In that cases, I want to be with you. To be is can be a ser or to be can be an star, right? Is that clear? So That's a, so just imagine that can be a situation which is not fixed. If you want to be with someone else, I want to be with you. Maybe the next moment you can be with your mom. Maybe the next moment you can be with your father, your, Anna, anything. So it means the situation is not fixed. I want to be with you. Is it clear to you? 1 second, please. If you're saying I want to be with you, okay, then we have quiero. I want. Quiero. Estar. Estar is basically your to be. Quiero estar contigo. Speak up. Contigo. We already have wrapped up conmigo. I want to go out with you. With, if I'm saying, do you want to go out with me? That is conmigo. See, conmigo is, let me tell you what is conmigo and contigo. Very important thing. If you're saying, you know what, with me, with you, here you are saying, now, what is the difference between contigo and conmigo? Here you are saying with you. You is my ti. I want to be with you. And if you're saying I want to be with me, कि मैं अपने साथ ही रहना चाहता हूँ या रहना चाहती हूँ, that is quiero estar conmigo. But here you are saying con me. Here me is my, but we have ti. Contigo. Contigo is basically ti, you. So if I'm saying I want to be with you, quiero estar contigo. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Conmigo is basically with me. Contigo is with you because we have me. Conmigo, my. Contigo is basically with you. So if you're saying
ego, ये it's a verb.
that's phrase, yeah, no, that's not a verb. That's not a verb. Verb we have quiero and estar.
अच्छा.
That is, if I'm
It's
saying
con
with,
is with. Con
yes,
is with. He is
yes,
you
that is
and
one is
con.
with.
but
So we have a
what is
proper phrase. Yes, we have proper phrase. I'm saying with you. That is contigo. With me, conmigo. Migo, tigo.
go? Go क्या है इसमें go?
Con is
Con
with. Con is with.
con
Tigo
is
is
with.
you. Tigo is you. Con is with. Migo is with me. If I'm saying with me, that's the phrase basically. If I'm saying I want to be with you, so quiero estar with you contigo. If I'm saying I want to be with me, quiero estar conmigo. Is that clear to you? Con is basically my with and tigo is
With.
basically my, that's
And
it.
what is go here? Like go.
That is my tigo. We use tigo. That's a Spanish what I would say formula. If I'm saying with you, that is tigo. With me, that is migo.
Okay, इनके forms है ये.
Is that clear to you? Tigo, migo. Is that clear to you?
Okay.
Is that clear? अभी
Yes,
आप
sir.
will come to a lot of things. जैसे you can say one English, I cannot live without you. Saying I cannot live without you. Very simple. Now I cannot know. That is I cannot know puedo. No puedo. Now live is what? Vivid.
Vivir.
Vivid. Acha. In French we have without is what? So in French without is so. In Spanish we have sin. Sin ti. Because I cannot live without you. No puedo vivir sin ti. Ti is here we have you. Sin ti. Contigo, with you, without you is Sinti. So if I'm saying I cannot live without you, so what I will say, no puedo vivir Sinti. Sin is without basically, and ti is you. Is it clear to you, Senora? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, make a line. Write a one line. Pen down, please. Dear friend, Pen down, please. Dear friend, I cannot. Pen down, please. Dear friend, I cannot live without you. Pen down, please. I cannot live without you. I want to live with you. I want to live with you. So now you tell me, Neha, dear friend. So you can say like this,
What was dear is?
where we can have querido, we can say querido. Querido. Querido is dear because querido. Querido amigo, dear friend. Amigo is my friend. Okay.
Where
Querido
do
amigo, अब बताओ. I cannot live without you. Tell me.
No
where do
puedo.
vivir?
No, my English is I cannot, yes, I cannot live with you.
No
I cannot live
puedo.
with you. Sorry. I cannot live without me, with you.
I can.
Sorry, here we have without. If I'm saying,
Without it.
I, dear friend, I cannot live with you because, अब बताओ. Querido
Live.
amigo,
Querido
Querido
amigo.
amigo,
No
हाँ,
no
puedo
querido,
vivir.
querido amigo, no puedo, I cannot, no puedo,
Puedo
okay, live with
puedo
you.
vivir.
vivir
Vivir
Vivid now with you. Here is not without, with you.
simply
contigo.
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 Now is that clear? Why we
मतलब
have
विदाउट तो
contigo?
हमने सिंपली नहीं किया अभी.
पर यहाँ पे विद कर रहे हैं विद यू आई कैन नॉट लिव
With you.
विद यू
Here we slightly we have changed the sentence. Like we are saying, I cannot live with you. You are in fight. Here you are in love. I cannot live without you. Here you are in a fighting mood. Hello, I cannot live with you. Dear friend, I cannot, for example, sharing your room, right? And you had a fight with your friend. So, dear friend, I cannot live with you. So, speak of querido amigo, no puedo vivir contigo. Is that clear to you?
querido amigo no
amigo
puedo vivir
No puedo
contigo
vivir contigo. In the next line, maybe you come again, you feel something in the next 5 minutes, and you say, I want to live with you. I want to live
with
with you.
you
Now you
so
tell me, Khushbu.
puedo vivir
quieres
No puedo.
quieres
That's a
vivir
poder verb can.
yes
Quiero.
quie-
quiero
Quiero.
quiero
Huh?
vivir
vivir
Vivir.
con con
contigo
contigo.
Very good. Muy bien. Now is that clear to you? That's a formula.
yes
Okay. Quiero vivir contigo. Is that clear to you, Khushbu? Neha.
yes sir
Yes sir.
Sure?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now we have a grammar portion today. Now you tell me, saber is to know. We already wrapped up saber is to know,
yes sir
right? And we have conocer is also to know. Conocer.
ये तो जैसे कहीं पे भी विद यू विद हर विद ऐसा आएगा तो हम ये कौन सी या
ना
कौन
फिर हम
सी
लोला, then we
only
will use lola. I will explain to you. वो pattern भी आपको कराऊंगा. Then here we have lola cases, right? चलो करो. चलो pen down please. Pen down please. Let's wrap it up. If you're saying I want to live with her, pen down please. I want to live with her. So what I will use is quiero,
vivir
quiero. I want to live. That is quiero.
vivir
Okay, vivir. Okay, with her. Con ella. I want to live with her. It means quiero vivir con ella. If I'm saying I want to live with him, so what I will say? Quiero, quiero con, sorry, perdón. Quiero vivir
con
con él.
el
Is that clear to you? If you're saying I want to live with uh, them, I want to live with them. So what you will say? Quiero,
quiero vivir
quiero vivir con ellos.
अब तो वो
Is it
सिंपल
clear
हो
to you?
जाएंगे
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If you're saying, for example, I want to speak up. Pen down, please. I want to give it to him.
I want to
I want to give it to him. I want to
give it to him.
give it to him. Okay. So here him is my law because I want to give it to him. So that cannot be L because I'm giving something to him. There's some things I'm giving to something to him. So what is this? Quiero dar celo. Dar celo. Here we have it is my basically say. I want to give it to him. So basically law is basically my object over here. Law is basically my it. Because I'm not aware of this, I want to see in French also we have law and law cases, right? For example, just understand ki the same thing I want to convert in French. So what I will say, you tell me I want to give it to him.
Je veux le.
Okay. Je veux
Je veux donner.
Le
नहीं,
uh,
donner.
sorry.
je
Louis,
veux
Louis
no, simple. Je veux
Louis
le
Donner.
I want to
Louis
give it to him. Je veux, okay.
Louis donner.
Louis, je veux Louis. I want to
Donner.
give it to him. I don't know. Je veux Louis
Donner.
donner. Is that clear to you? But for example, I want to give it. Je veux Louis. Je no. Je le veux Louis donner. Because here we have it. Je le veux Louis donner. Why? Because Louis is basically my that's and him. Is it clear to you? And here we have le is my object because my object is not come it. It can be a masculine or it can be a feminine. For example, it is a masculine, sorry, feminine. So je la veux lui donner or je le veux lui donner. The same in Spanish also. We have I want to give it to him. So here we have quiero dar. Lo is my object, say is my converted into a possessive adjective. So quiero dárselo. Speak up. Quiero dárselo. Is that clear to you? For example, you're saying I want to give it to her. I want to give it to her. The same if your it is basically your masculine, sorry, if your it is masculine, the same we have quiero dárselo. Because say here we have a possessive adjective him or her. So quiero dárselo. Quiero, if I'm saying I want to give it to him, like him is my say over here, and lo is my object. So quiero dárselo. Okay, you will come to know. Pen down one more thing. एक और चीज लिखो, आपको समझ आएगा. लिखो एक चीज और. एक सेंटेंस करवाता हूँ आपको. लिखो. I want to give my watch. I want to give my watch to my friend. I want to give my I want to give
Watch to my friend.
my watch. I want to give my watch to my friend. Okay. Then the next word I will use. I want to give. I want to give it to them. For example, I want to give my watch to my friend. So what you will say? Quiero.
Quiero dar.
Very good. Quiero dar. Here. Now listen. I want to give my watch. Quiero dar to my friend. Quiero dar mi. Reloj is basically your watch. Reloj. ami to my friend, ami, amigo. I want to give my watch to my friend. So here we have quiero dar mi reloj, mi amigo. Is that clear to you? I want to give my watch to my friend. If you're saying, I want to give it to him, sorry, give it to them. So what you will say? Quiero,
Quiero darte,
one second. Quiero
darte,
dárselo, basically, quiero dárselo to them a ellos. Quiero, so spelling is mistake. Quiero dárselo a ellos. It means I want to give it to them. The next word you can say, I want to give it to her. Pen down, please. I want to give it to her. I want to give it to her. So what you will say? Quiero,
quiero dar.
quiero
सर तो
dar,
इसमें यू
yes,
दार्सी
yes,
दार
dárselo,
नहीं कर रहे हैं.
yes, quiero dárselo. You can, and if you're saying I want to give it to her, either you can say quiero dárselo, simple. But if you want to go for a literally translation, you can say like this: quiero dárselo a ellas, to her. If you want to go for a literary translation, like I want to give it to her, so you can say like this: quiero dárselo a ellas, to her. If you have a lot of her, if you have like to her, so we have quiero dárselo a ella. Pen down, please.
सर डेम शी तो हिम और हर तो समझ आ गया. सर
हाँ
ये
हाँ.
ई एल ओ क्या है, दार सेलो क्या है, यहाँ पे
This
हम टी
क्या
क्यों
है?
यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yes. Basically क्या है? This is my direct and indirect objects. If I'm saying I want to
कर
give
सकते हैं.
my, if my wristwatch, if my watch Relo, if my Relo is converted into it, that is converted into low, that is converted into low. So we have a verb, we have to use dar selo to, you can use simply like dar selo to give it to him. You can say him like this: quiero dar selo. That's a formula, dar selo. My dar, we have dar me, give it to me, dar me. Here we have a formula like dar selo if we are using an object. If you're using an object, so that is converted into dar selo. If you're using an object, that is converted into dar selo. Simply if you're saying give it to me, for example, pen like this, give it to me. You tell me what it can be. Give it to me.
Dami.
दार
Give
में
it to me. So what you will say? No, 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 no. Very good. Dar me. But here we have dar me. It is also an object. So dar me lo. Because dar me is to give me. Dar me is basically your give me. But you are saying give it to me. Basically, dame is also give me. If you have, we have dame, right? Or you can say darme. But here you are saying give it to me. Here you are saying give it to me. So here we have darme lo. So basically, if we are using the sentence like this, give it to him. Chalo, make a sentence like this. Give it to him. So what you will say? Give it to him.
दार
Dar selo, right? Dar
दार
selo.
सेलो
You can say like this, dar selo, simple. Give it to him. Or either you can say dar selo a el, because him, he. So you can say like this, dar selo, or either you can say like this, dar selo a el, give it to him. If you're saying give it to her, dar selo a ella, so either you can say dar selo, simple. Is that clear, Senora? इसका जब आप पढ़ोगे ना, you will come to know. चलो let's repeat this, क्योंकि हम जितनी से सेंटेंस करेंगे ना, you will come to know. अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक सेंटेंस करते हैं, लेट्स मेक अ स्टोरी. आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट. देखो, आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट. I go to the market लिखो because I am going अभी नहीं करवाया. आप लिखो I go to the market. I go to the market. I purchase. Pen down please. I go to the market. I purchase a maybe product, maybe shirt, कुछ भी, anything. I purchased a. What do you want to purchase? I want to purchase a
Sure.
Pant,
what?
pants,
Trouser.
jeans.
Trouser. Okay,
Yes.
jean. Okay. I want to purchase. I purchase a jean. Okay. If I purchase a trouser, pantalon. I want to return. लिखो. I want to return. I want to return it to the shopkeeper. Up here we have it. I want to return it to the shopkeeper. अब आपको समझ आएगा कि what is this basically. Now you will come to know. पहले I go to the market is what? Voy. I go. Voy. Voy el. Voy sorry. Al. Mercado. So voy al mercado is I go to the market. Okay. I purchase. So comprar is a verb. So what you will say? Compro. Very good. Compro. Un pantalón. Compro un pantalón. Is that clear to you? Now you are saying, I want to return it to the shopkeeper. It. You are using an object. Direct. That's an indirect object. Na? I want to give. I want to return it to the shopkeeper. It. So what you will say? Quiero. Okay. Up we have a verb. Pen down, please. De devolverlo. Now devolverlo. Now what is my devolverlo basically? Because devolver, devolverlo. Devolver is a verb to return. Devolver is a verb to return. But here I'm using quiero devolverlo. What is my devolverlo? You tell me, Khushbu. What is my devolverlo? Why we have lo? Because that is my
I want to
it. I want to give it. Is it clear to you? I want to give it to the shopkeeper. A tendero. Tendero is my shopkeeper. Tendero. So if you are saying I want to give it to the shopkeeper, quiero devolverlo. Why we devolver is my verb basically to return. Why we have lo? Because you are returning an object. That is it. Is that clear to you, Khushbu?
yes, yes.
एक लिखो और इंग्लिश आप. I want to give it to my friend. I want to give it to my friend. So what you will say?
Quiero
Very good. Quiero. Okay. Dárselo.
Dárselo,
Dárselo. My friend, amigo or amigo. अब समझ आया आपको कुछ? कुछ में नहीं. हाँ, जितने भी है ना फ्रेंच में भी देखो, फ्रेंच में अभी तक हम लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं. So it will become by practice.
yes.
Is it clear to you? मतलब you know the concept, like what is the concept basically behind this? So for example, make one line also. Make a line like this. I purchase, because we are doing a simple abhi present tense, we're not doing a past tense. I purchase a shoe. I purchase shoes. I purchase shoes, but my friend, okay, but my friend do not like it. It do not like it. Now So I purchase a shoe is what? Compro
zapatos.
zapatos. Very good. Compro zapatos. I purchase a shoes. But my friend,
But
pero,
is pero.
pero, a mi amigo. But my friend, you have pero, mi amigo.
No.
Pero, mi amigo, no. Up. But my friend do not like it. It. It might can be a it. Here we are using but my friend do not like it. Le gusta. But my friend do not like it. Pero mi amigo no le gusta. So here we have le. That is it. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
लिखो एक इंग्लिश और लिखो आप पेन डाउन प्लीज I cook a food. I cook a food, but my friend do not like it. बताओ अब आप. I cook. Cocinar is a verb. Cocinar is a verb. So what we have is cocino. Okay. Cocino. Una. Food we have seen comida. A food comida. Why? Because una feminine. Comida is my feminine. So we have una. So you are saying cocina.
Cocino.
Sorry,
Comida.
cocino una comida. Okay.
Pero a mi amigo no
Very
le
good.
gusta.
Pero a mi amigo. Very good. A mi amigo no le gusta. इसे अब समझ आया आपको? No le gusta. Because le is my food. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
कहीं बस ये ले और लो हो जाता है ये थोड़ा सा
कोई बात. You will come to know. We'll do the practice like this. You will come to know. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. लिखो एक और इंग्लिश लिखो आप पेन डाउन प्लीज. I like to go to the restaurant. I like to go to the restaurant. But uh, my uncle do not like to go there. Do not like to go there. Is it clear to you? Now you tell me, I like to go to a restaurant. What you will say? I like me gusta ir to the restaurant al restaurante. Restaurante. So I'm saying I like to go to the restaurant. Me gusta ir
al restaurante.
Me gusta ir al restaurante. Pero okay. Pero mi tío. Tío is your uncle basically. Tío no le gusta. But my uncle do not like to go there. No le gusta. Don't like to go there. No le gusta ir. Speak up. I is basically your there. Hand down please. I. So saying me gusta ir al restaurante. Here we have restaurante. Okay. So I'm saying I like to go to the restaurant. Me gusta ir al restaurante, but my uncle, pero a mi tío no le gusta ir ahí. Is that clear to you? I is there. We have laba in French, and here
Yes,
we have I. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sure?
yes, sir.
Okay. So any doubt तो obviously थोड़ा बहुत होगा आपको इसमें doubt. So what you have to do is इसको एक बार read करना, ठीक है? So one second. इसको आप read करना सारे portion को.